Come here, Dickens. If you guys haven't met, this is Dickens, our very big dog. He is a sweetheart and he is another child. Those of you who have dogs, he's child number 9 for sure. I wanted to bring you along on just the simple things of living. I've been doing these videos more and more just on my daily life. I didn't really approach this channel thinking that this was a vlog, but it kind of is a vlog. It's just kind of what I do in a day, and today I'm doing a lot of cleaning and dusting and putting the candles on. I just don't think there's anything that calms my anxiety or myself more than just a clean home and having candles. So that has kind of been what I've been doing today. I've been feeling really anxious, and I've spoken a little bit in the past about my struggle with anxiety and ADHD, and there's things that I do as a mom to kind of calm myself down, organizing my spaces, cleaning them, lighting candles, baking something yummy. These are things that I can control in my life, and that's typically where I funnel my nervous energy. So today I'm making a blueberry raspberry muffin for the kids. I'm doing blueberry and raspberry because I only had a little bit of frozen blueberries and a little bit of frozen raspberries. So that is why we are putting them together in one muffin. And I will post this recipe on my blog. It is super basic, super easy. Also, I have a sponsor for today's video, which is really exciting for me. This is my very first sponsor. It is Fobenta Dinnerware. I'm excited to share it with you. So more on that in a little bit. And let's get going with my day. I've spoken about rhythms and a system that I kind of stick to every single day. I really feel like it's a form of a meditation for me. It's something that's consistent. It's something that just brings my life more balance. And one of those being the things I do to prep my kitchen. So feeding my sourdough start, getting things ready for the next day, meal planning, all of these things just give me kind of that daily rhythm and system, something that I can go by to keep me on track. Another thing I am doing today is getting the dining room all tidied up. I have mentioned this before in previous videos. We love to do so many crafts and art things at this table, and I will let it get messy for about 3 or 4 days, and then we do a big cleanup of it, and that's what I'm doing today. We have been actually working on so many Christmas crafts. Remember, December is about being intentional, slowing down, and really enjoying the season. I finished all of my Christmas shopping in November, which allows me the time and the space to really be intentional with how I'm spending my time and making memories with my kids through the month of December. Today, Alfie and I are putting together some blueberry raspberry muffins, and this was actually a happy surprise to make such a wonderful combination. I usually just do a blueberry muffin, but we really didn't have that many blueberries left over, so we decided to mix them both together. And as always, it's so fun to have Alfie by my side wanting to help, learning how to bake, and these are the memories that I hope that shape him and he holds on to in the future. Alfie was actually supposed to be in preschool this year, but he wanted to stay home with me, and it has just allowed us to have so much time together, and this is a season I will never forget and that I cherish every single day.
Can kids not give a break? You could do that. Can I do one?
Mm-hmm.
Can I do it?
What?
Finish. Can I do five?
Mm-hmm.
Can I crack it, Eddie? Jeggy?
Yeah.
Can you open it and I can open it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I want to open
You
it.
Yay! You did it. That was very good. This is a very basic, quick and easy muffin recipe, and I love to make my crumble topping to go on top of it. That's probably my favorite part of the muffin is the butter, brown sugar, flour, crumble topping that I do. And I have my recipe posted on my blog, countrycastleliving.com, for these muffins and the crumble topping. I hope you try them. They are quick, they're easy to whip together, and this is something that we love to make, especially before the kids come home from school, because it makes the house smell so good, and it wasn't that hard to do, and they cook up really fast. Once we have placed the topping on our muffins, we are going to put them in the oven to bake. And while they are baking, I am very excited to introduce to you today's sponsor of my video. I am so honored to work with Venta. It is a dinnerware company that really prides themselves in handmade dinnerware. This is oven safe, microwave safe, scratch resistant dinnerware, which coming from a family of 10, you can see why I was so excited to work with them and partner with them for today's video. I got their mixed pattern, but you can actually purchase any of these patterns all in one set. I just wanted the look of a variety of pattern to have a different plate and a different bowl together. I just love that eclectic look, but I cannot recommend the company enough. They packaged it so beautifully. The dinnerware is really heavy and hearty. I love the size and shape of these bowls. They're not too large and not too small. They are an everything bowl. So I hope that you check them out. I have linked them in my description in my Amazon storefront. The shipping is really, really quick. And I hope you enjoy today's sponsor as much as we have enjoyed their dinnerware.
I cannot recommend this combination enough of blueberry and raspberries. I love this recipe because you can easily have the fruit in your freezer and just throw it into your muffin mix. I also wasn't home today when the kids got home. I had to quickly drop another child off somewhere. So it was really fun to just watch the scene unfold in front of me with these muffins on the table and just kind of getting an insight to my children and seeing them come home without me there. Just a reminder that the time you take to nurture your family and to be there for them in their every moments as much as you can be is felt and remembered by them and is something that shapes who they are. And I am so grateful for this family that I get to love on every day. And we hope that you have a wonderful day.
Someone gave you a candy cane. Huh? Someone gave you a candy cane. You're so